And do you mind if I grab a piece of candy?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, awesome. Hello, I'm Daphne and I'm here with US Classic Muscle Cars, and today I'm here with
Mark Travis.
Awesome, Mark. So what kind of car did you bring here today?
This is actually my mother's 66 Caprice.
Oh, nice.
She asked me if I could get it running right for her, so I did.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, I got to return it to her this weekend.
So can you give me a little bit of history on the car?
Yeah, the motor she had in there, it was just wore out. So I got a crate motor from Chevy and rebuilt the transmission. We rebuilt the differential, took out the 308 posi and put a 355 to help this tank get moving because it's about 4,600 pounds, so that helps.
Wow.
It's got air conditioning. I put a aluminum radiator in it, electric fans, and everything seems to be working just right, just in time to return it to her this weekend.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yeah, she's going to be so glad.
Wow, so can you tell me a little bit about the engine?
Yeah, the engine is 454, 438 horse, 500 foot-pounds of torque, Chevrolet crate motor.
Wow, that's awesome. Have you or your mother ever been to the track?
I have, but she hasn't. She's been a lead foot her whole life, but she's never raced it at anything at the track.
Oh, okay.
That I know of.
Has this car been to the track?
No.
No? Okay.
Not by me, anyway.
Oh, that's nice. So yeah, what is original about this car? What parts are original? And
my goal was to keep the body and the motor looking as original as I can.
Okay.
Even though the wheels are center line wheels, those were actually off my 68 Impala I had back in 1990, and I gave them to her years ago, and she still uses them.
Oh, that's really good. That's awesome. Let's see. What would you describe as this color paint that you have on here?
This is a 2002, I think it's a Toyota color.
Oh, okay.
That's the color she wanted. Originally it was blue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, let's take a look at the interior, if you don't mind.
Everything's still pretty solid. So it's got tilt wheel. It's got power windows. Automatic transmission, like I said earlier, I just rebuilt that, and it's pretty clean inside, and it's solid. There's no rust. The floorboards are all good. It's a pretty solid car, and I'm glad for my mother. I just don't want to give it back, but I have to.
Are those gauges down there original?
Yeah, those are the original factory gauges on the console, and they all work.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You can find this video on the YouTube channel, US Classic Muscle Cars. And thanks again.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
car, isn't it?
Very impressive. Really nice. Thanks for watching and subscribe.